Cooking Squad? How's it going? Today I'm going to teach you what to do if your cake is gooey in the middle still. What you can do that will only take 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes to make it not gooey anymore. So I have a cake in the oven that's done, and I'm going to see if it's gooey or not. And if it is, it's great, because it's going to work perfectly. If it's not, well, then I'm sorry. But it's going to be gooey. I guarantee it. It always is gooey. No matter what I do, it's always, always, always gooey. So let's go to the cake. So what you're going to need is your knife and your cake. That's in the oven, of course. Let's test this cake out to see if it's going to be gooey or not. So, plug it in. Okay, this time it didn't come gooey. But here I'm going to tell you what you do if it does come gooey. Okay, if the knife was all full of cake batter and everything, it would be gooey. So this is what you do to make it not gooey. You get a piece of tin foil and you put it right over the cake. Watch out, it's very hot. Okay? You want to kind of cinch it down. So the best you want to do is try to use an oven mitt to cinch it down. So if you have 2 oven mitts, then you can cinch it down a lot easier. You want it loosely on it, but enough that it'll keep the heat in. You put it back in, you turn off your heat, and you let it go for 5 minutes. That's it. That is what you're going to do. You're going to let it go for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Because then all that heat inside is going to get directly into the cake, and it's going to make it nice and firm and not gooey, as my last cake I did it came out gooey and it wasn't the best. But you know what? Only because it was gooey. But once I put the tin foil on, man, was it perfect. It was perfect. So that's how you make your cake nice and hard. Well, like not hard, but more firm inside than gooey, because a gooey cake is not good at all. It means you could have some raw eggs in there, and it can be harmful to kids. It can be harmful to anybody, and you don't want that in there. So I hope you enjoyed watching me how to make your cake not gooey anymore when it is gooey in the middle. Please hit that thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Also remember to share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking Squad, which is the best cooking show on YouTube. Also remember, keep calm and cook on.